Besides shapes, you can also insert pictures inside of Microsoft Excel. And in order to do that, you can simply go to Insert right here and you can select Pictures. So once you select that, Explorer will start up and you can go to your respective drive and then import the picture that you want. For example, over here, I'm going to import this one right here. So Insert, and then I'll get the picture. So I can resize the picture according to what I want. I can even select the shape effect as you can see right here. So you can select different shape effect like this. And this is quite similar to Microsoft Word if you've used it. So you can also see an in-depth tutorial in Microsoft Word for the shape effect. And the way you use effect is very similar. So you can apply effect right here. So you can do some corrections right over from here. So you want to make it brighter or darker, you can do that. You can change the brightness and the contrast of the picture right here. So you can select it and there you go. You got a very contrasting picture. You can also change the color to add in a bit of a color effect just like this. So you can see that the picture is much more colorful now. And you can also go for artistic effect right here. You can also compress the picture. So what that does is that if you want to send an email, then it'll actually shrink down the size of the picture. Right there, it does reduce the quality, but it has a lot of size reduced, so it's easier to email. So you can also add in a picture border color right here. So you can add in a border, you can add in picture effects, just like you would add onto an effect right here. And then you can also reset the picture so that sets it back everything to normal. So you can resize the picture just like this. You can rotate this out as you can see right here. And you can resize it proportionately or resize it from within a size, but that does squeeze in the picture a bit. Instead of this, you can also insert online pictures. So what this does is it actually opens up Microsoft Bing, and then you can search for pictures that you want to insert. Let's say I want to search for something like cars right here. All right, cars, press enter, and then it'll search for the picture of cars. As you can see, a lot of cars actually popped up right there. And let's say I want to insert this picture right here. So just select this out and press insert, and then the car picture will be downloaded and it'll be inserted as you can see right here. So along with the data, if you want some fancy graphics, then this is the way to do so. So you can insert shapes and pictures inside of Microsoft Excel just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.